Mhm.
Another thing is like the LinkedIn groups. I don't even know if people know about them. I mean, they're there, they've been there, but like nobody really used them.
Yeah.
I really think LinkedIn groups are really going to be coming. I've been seeing like an evolution in like how that looks, right? And like where they place it on the screen and all that stuff. And it's becoming more and more relevant.
Okay.
And it wouldn't surprise me if they started to push them in a way, or like group them very similarly to how Facebook does, right? And at
Mhm.
that point, then they become really powerful, right?
Rio, Rio, Rio.
At what point do you decide? Honestly, I always go where there's the arbitrage. Like I look at Facebook, like when we're competing in specific niches, like Facebook's crowded. And
Mhm.
honestly, I was talking about this with my team the other day. It's low key a dead platform. Like
Mhm.
people are getting off Facebook more and more every day. Don't get me wrong, it's still valuable.
Mhm.
I'm not saying it's not valuable, but what
Yeah.
I'm saying is ask anybody under the age of 25 if they still use Facebook. And then
Mhm.
also ask them why they don't use Facebook. And it'll be because they see one in every three ads. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's people that are going to and using the platform, and it's really powerful because Facebook as a company owns Instagram. So, like, I get that. But, like, at the same time, like, Facebook as a platform, like, by itself, not saying the company, I'm just saying the platform itself is really competitive for not unless you're like
Mhm.
that person in the niche. It's very hard because you're competing, especially in competitive niches,
Yeah.
with people that are spending an absurd amount of money because they're making good money.
Mhm.
You know, and you're bidding on the same things. Don't get me wrong, there's ways around it and you can still make decent money, but it's not like you're going to be that person when that person already exists. Like it's
Mhm.
very hard to like overlap them unless you create like your own niche inside of a niche and then get them on board. Like there's a way to do it, but like it's hard. So
Mhm.
like on LinkedIn, it's essentially like playing out to be exactly how Facebook was just for the business professional.
Mhm.
And now it's getting even more lax because like before the culture on LinkedIn was very like like
Cut and dry.
competitive, like we're gonna like every message we send we put like signatures and a intro and like not treat it like a Facebook message, right? Like that's how that platform has been perceived for a long time, and that's
Yeah.
why people like our age don't work. They never really use LinkedIn until now,
Mhm.
right? Now LinkedIn's branding is getting better. Those people that are tech savvy are now moving into the professional space, right? You're looking at all these things. The only thing that LinkedIn kind of sucks at compared to Facebook is their ad platform. One, it's expensive, and two, it's just not as good. They don't have as
Mhm.
much data. You know what I mean? They don't have 100, 300 billion users like they do.
Yeah.